State Park. It's very swampy.
That means mosquitoes.
No, there's no monkeys.
Just you guys.
How can we be monkeys? We don't have a tail.
Then you must be an ape.
Trending music.
One way we're helping
If it doesn't have a tail, it's not a monkey.
Even if it has a monkey got a shape. If it doesn't have a tail, it's not a monkey. If it doesn't have a tail, it's not a monkey. It's an ape.
Alright, here we are, our site at Highlands Hammock State Park. We are in Highlands Hammocks on the Big Oak Trail. And the paper said that there's an oak tree that they think is about 1,000 years old. Somewhere on this trail. This is pretty neat. Oh, look at that. Like neon orange mushrooms. Whoa. There's ferns growing in the palm tree. This is pretty cool. I don't know. Read the signs.
Well, pick one. Right.
Right.
Why? Because this one leads to one.
Right, just goes on a loop, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's just a big stump.
Yeah.
But it's pretty cool. It's a pretty big old stump.
Should I start climbing? Mom.
No. Did people carve into it? What? Or did they brick up the holes maybe? Oh, I bet they bricked up the holes.
I was doing it right here.
There's another spot. They don't want you climbing in it.
How do you know?
Wow. Because it's bricked up.
Now look at me.
Yeah. Cheese.
No! You don't knock me over.
This has got iron girders in it.
I'm not gonna.
This stuff.
This is probably your big oak.
Yeah, I don't know what this is. I hope this, is this really the big oak?
Oh, keep going this way.
I hope this isn't it. I hope it's a live tree. Well, I guess it is living. There's like a little bit of stuff coming out the top.
That's not it. That thing's down.
You know what that reminds me of? The story My Side of the Mountain, where he lived in the tree.
That does. Yep.
Is it hollow?
That one is big enough for a boy to live in.
But it wasn't as big as the one in my friend.
Cheese. Cheese. Yeah, I'm taking a video and I got you saying cheese. Here's another really big oak tree.
No, we're good, Kale.
Did this one get struck by lightning? Look, it's all black inside.
We're burned. Kids, get back here.
Okay, Mom. Mom, you could even do shelter for rain.
You
Look
could.
Look at how big that tree is.
Whoa,
Sadly, I don't have zoom out, so I can't take pictures.
pretty cool.
Do you think I should throw this one back?
You got it now. You probably should keep it.
What?
Just keep it. We found a few oranges on the ground.
This one looks the best. Look at that.
I got two.
Yeah,
It's a washout.
it's all swampy here.
Where's that big? And get off.
Alright. Yeah, we'll have to make sure they're all picked off later.
What do they do, Mom? Mom, what do they do?
I think we're gonna go right. Well, hold up though. Let me see what the sign says.
These are sour, Mom.
Yeah, Fern Garden. So I think it says in Fern Garden Trail you might see some alligators. Alright, here's the 1,000-year-old tree, which I guess is technically living. It's got a little bit of branches, but it's mostly a giant stump. So it's a little disappointing. But it's still pretty cool. So there is like one branch coming out of it up there. A couple small branches. Oh, see, they had... Yeah, now be careful, because didn't you hurt yourself earlier?
And these holes could have animals in them.
See, here's the big branch. It looks like they have some steel in it trying to hold it up so it doesn't fall. Maybe they even filled it with concrete? Maybe they filled it with concrete so it wouldn't fall. Because this is a tree branch filled with concrete. So it must have fallen. This is how we go do laundry. Laundry in the stroller. Makes a good cart. It's really pretty here. That's kind of what the campground looks like. Well, they have 3 washers and 3 dryers, and all the washers are being used right now. And the lady is doing 2 loads and she just started. So I guess we'll be doing laundry this afternoon or tonight or some other time. Okay, we are here at the Cypress Swamp Trail, also known as the Catwalk. So
Joshua!
okay, don't yell. Joshua, wait for us. Joshua, wait for us. I hope we see an alligator.
Hey, you can see this creek is flowing here.
Daniel, stop talking. No, you're never gonna be here. Mom, have Daniel seen an alligator before?
I don't know.
Yes, he has.
Probably in the zoo or something. Alright, this is called the Catwalk. This makes me nervous.
Part we've been waiting for.
Go slow and don't push past each other.
Don't push.
Do not fall in the water. I better switch my hand on my camera. Yeah, hang on to the railing. Jesus, please keep everyone safe. Of course, the railing is like too low for me.
That's good. Don't remember.
Ooh, this is a big one.
I should have brought my camera.
This is Ancient Hammock Trail. A sample of primitive Florida. Yeah, we don't need to check the trash. Let's go.
Find some oranges.
I want to take these. Videotape it.
What? Probably. There's a couple lizards. Ooh, there's another one. I'm zoomed in a lot, so he probably looks bigger than he is. Oh, jumped. Alright, we see this huge, big tree.
What are you doing here?
Whoa.
Yeah, right here.
Look at this huge tree. It's even got plants growing on it.
It's pretty much totally alive.
Yeah, that's a big guy. There are a lot of wild orange trees here. What?
Got palms underneath the big oak.
Oh, I think they found some orange trees back there. But we've learned wild oranges are very, very sour. Right, Joshua?
And good.
Another really big old tree. It's got quite a few holes under it.
Mom, I won! Mama,
Another really big old tree. It's got quite a few holes under it.
Mom, I won! Mama,
Jeez, you're so cute, Peter.
28.
It's a rainy afternoon.
So you taking there?
Playing cards.
4. Oh.
Becca's reading.
Go.
Peter
No,
is destroying
Everything.
everything. And Daniel is asleep in the van right outside the camper.